Hello dear students, welcome all of you to my class. Today we will start chapter 6 History, and that is Emergence of Regional Culture. This chapter contains some basic concept about the development of regional religious cultures, development of regional languages, a case study Bengal, a regional culture, distinctive culture of Rajputana, dances and miniature paintings. Medieval India was marked by significant advancement in language, literature, and fine arts. Rulers in different kingdoms patronized culture practices in their own regions. Local languages also received considerable attention. The rise of Bhakti movement helped to further advance literary traditions in various regions. A number of regional languages such as Malayalam, Gujarati, Marathi, Kannada, Bangla, Odia, Assamese and Rajasthani developed in the military camps in different regions at that time. A new language, Urdu, developed in the military camps, which was a mixture of Arabic and Persian. Our first topic for today's class is development of languages. And under this segment, the first one is growth of Malayalam. Malayalam language and script was introduced by the Cheras in the Kerala region. The earliest literature was oral in nature due to the prevalence of Baland. Sanskrit language had considerable influence on many regional languages, including Malayalam. Manipravalam was a literary style which combined both Sanskrit and Malayalam. Ramcharitram was translated into Malayalam in the 12th century. Growth of Hindi. Hindi emerged in between 7th to 10th century. Medieval Hindi was in a form of Brij Bhasha, a dialect spoken in and around the Mathura region. Some famous poets were Goswami Tulsidas, the writer of Ramcharitmanas, and Surdas, who composed Sursagar, were very prominent names in that era. Growth of Marathi. Medieval age marked the beginning of the real Marathi literature. The Brahmani rulers patronized Marathi as the administrative language in their kingdom. Some of the early prominent poets and scholars were Chakradhara, Bhaskara, Bhatt, Narendra, and Mukhandaraya. Another prominent Bhakt who rendered the valuable contribution to the Marathi literature was Janeshwara of Pandharpur, who advocated the doctrine that were no ranks or classes before God and all were equal in his view. Bhakti saints like Janeshwara, Tukaram, Namadeva and Eknath composed beautiful songs and poems in Marathi. Growth of Punjabi. Punjabi developed from Sanskrit through Prakrit languages. So the Sikh Gurus enriched this language by their writings. It also developed in their medieval period. The script of Punjabi language is Gurumukhi. Many Muslim writers also wrote in Punjabi. The writings of Muslim writer known as Qissa. The most famous Qissa, Hir Ranjha, written by Waris Shah, is still famous worldwide. The growth of Telugu. The ruler of the powerful Vijayanagara kingdom, Krishna Deva Raya, contributed greatly to the growth of Telugu as a regional language. Telugu literature or Telugu Sahityam is the body of works written in the Telugu language. It consists of poems, novels, short stories, dramas and Puranas. Telugu language flourished under the rule of Vijayanagara Empire, where Telugu was one of the empire's official language. The Raja Krishna Deva Raya also himself was a great poet. He wrote Amukta Maladya, which was the greatest poetic work of that time. So my dear children, that's the end for today's session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye. Take a very good care of yourself and happy learning.